Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is calling the doctor. All right, let's begin. Hey Dave, you don't look well today.
Really?
Yes, you look tired.
I feel tired too.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, not really.
Oh no, what happened?
I had a headache.
A headache?
Yes, my head hurts.
That's not good.
And my throat feels sore too.
Oh no, maybe you're getting sick.
I think so.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure.
Did you check your temperature?
No, I was too lazy.
That's not good.
I know.
You should call a doctor.
Call a doctor?
Yes, make an appointment.
I'm a little nervous
Why nervous?
because I don't like hospitals.
Nobody likes hospitals.
True.
Do you have the doctor's phone number?
Yes, I saved it in my phone.
Good.
But I'm not sure what to say.
Just speak slowly.
What should I say first?
Say hello and tell them your problem.
Okay, I'll try.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you. You're very kind.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm dialing the number now.
Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Ring, ring.
Oh no, my heart is beating fast.
Relax, it's just a phone call.
Okay.
Receptionist. Hello, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello.
Speak louder.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want,
Appointment.
yes, appointment.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
My head hurts and my throat hurts.
Do you have a fever?
I don't know.
That's okay.
Okay.
You're doing well.
Thank you.
Receptionist. Can you come today?
Today?
Say yes.
Yes, I can come today.
What time is good for you? Afternoon.
Afternoon is good.
Okay, 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I did it.
Good job.
That was scary.
But you did very well.
My hands were shaking.
Brave Dave.
I feel proud now.
You should.
I have an appointment at 3 p.m.
Perfect. What if the doctor gives me a big injection?
You're scared of needles?
Very scared.
Like a little kid?
Maybe.
Don't worry. Maybe you only need medicine.
I hope so.
Do you like taking medicine?
No, it tastes terrible.
That's true.
Medicine always tastes bitter.
But it helps you get better?
Yes, that's important.
I'm still nervous.
That's normal.
What if the doctor asks many questions?
Just answer honestly.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime.
You're like my English coach.
And your health coach, too.
Yes, double coach.
That's funny. Okay, Dave, it's almost 3 p.m.
Yes, I'm getting nervous again.
Relax.
I don't like clinics.
Why not?
Because clinics smell like medicine.
That's true.
Look, that's the clinic.
Yes, we arrived.
Okay, deep breath.
Good idea.
Let's go inside.
All right.
Wow, there are many people here.
Yes, many patients.
Everyone looks serious.
Because they are sick.
That makes sense.
Let's go to the reception desk.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
How can I help you?
I have an appointment.
What is your name?
My name is Dave.
Dave. Okay, I see your appointment.
Really?
Yes, at 3 p.m.
That's me.
Please fill out this form.
Fill out a form?
Yes, write your information.
Oh no, homework again.
It's not homework.
It feels like homework. There are many questions here.
Yes, take your time.
It asks for my address.
Write your home address.
Okay. It also asks for my phone number.
Yes, write it.
Okay, done. Oh no.
What happened?
I spelled my name wrong.
Really?
Yes, I wrote DeVay.
That's funny.
My name looks strange now.
Just cross it and write again.
Okay, fixed.
Good job.
This form is harder than math.
You're funny.
Okay, I finished the form.
Good. Receptionist, thank you. Please sit and wait.
Wait again?
Yes, waiting is part of life.
I don't like waiting.
Nobody does.
Let's sit over there.
Okay.
Look, that little kid is crying.
Yes, maybe he is scared.
I feel like that kid.
Are you scared too?
A little.
Don't worry, you're brave.
I hope so. Look, there's a TV.
Yes, maybe it shows cartoons.
Cartoons are good medicine.
That's funny.
I want to watch cartoons now.
Childish, Dave.
Hey, cartoons are for everyone.
You're right.
Nurse?
Dave,
Yes, that's me.
it's your turn.
Oh no. Already?
Yes, go ahead.
Nurse?
Please sit here.
Okay.
Nurse, I will check your temperature.
Temperature?
Yes.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Uh,
You look funny.
don't laugh.
Sorry. Nurse. Okay, done.
What is my temperature?
Slight fever.
Oh no.
It's okay.
I knew it.
Nurse. Please wait for the doctor.
Okay. Now I'm more nervous
Why?
because the doctor is coming soon.
You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Just answer questions honestly.
Okay. My heart is beating fast again.
That's normal.
I feel like running away.
Don't run.
Just kidding.
Dave,
Yes, that's me.
it's your turn.
Oh no, already?
Yes, don't be scared.
I'm trying to be brave.
Please come this way.
Okay.
I'll wait here.
Don't leave me.
I'll be right here.
Okay. See you soon.
Hello, Dave.
Hello.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Not very good.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
A headache?
Yes, my head hurts.
Since when?
Since last night.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts too.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, the nurse said I have a slight fever.
Okay.
I'm a little worried.
Don't worry, let's check you.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Good.
I feel like I'm singing.
That's funny.
Do I sing well?
Maybe not today.
That's honest.
Let me check your throat.
Okay.
Your throat looks red.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's common.
Really?
Yes.
That makes me feel better.
Now I'll check your heartbeat.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
I feel like I'm exercising.
Small exercise.
Dr. Jim.
That's funny. Now I will check your ears.
My ears?
Yes.
That sounds okay.
Don't move.
Okay.
Good. Everything looks normal.
That's good news.
Yes.
No injections, right?
Are you scared of injections?
Very scared.
Don't worry. No injection today.
Really?
Yes.
Best news ever.
You're funny. You have a cold.
A cold?
Yes. Nothing serious.
That's good.
You need rest.
Rest sounds nice.
Drink warm water.
Okay.
And take this medicine.
Medicine?
Yes. Take it twice a day.
Does it taste bad?
Maybe a little.
Oh no.
But it will help you feel better.
Okay, I will take it.
Also, sleep early.
That's hard for me.
Try your best.
I will try.
Come back if you feel worse.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Cindy.
Hey, how was it?
Good news.
Really?
No injection.
You're so happy.
Yes, very happy.
What did the doctor say?
I have a cold.
That's not too bad.
Yes, I just need medicine.
Good.
And rest.
Perfect.
I feel better already.
That's great.
So, Dave, what did the doctor give you?
He gave me a prescription.
A prescription?
Yes, for medicine.
Okay, let's go to the pharmacy.
Pharmacy, that's where we buy medicine, right?
Yes, exactly.
I hope the medicine is small,
Why small?
because I don't like big pills.
That's funny.
Big pills scare me.
You sound like a little kid.
Maybe I am.
Here we are, the pharmacy.
Wow, there are many medicines here.
Yes, different medicine for different problems.
I hope mine tastes good.
Medicine usually tastes bad,
Oh no, that's bad news.
but it helps you get better.
That's true. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? How can I help you?
I have a prescription.
Okay, let me see.
Here you go.
Please wait a moment.
Wait again?
Yes, waiting again.
Waiting is my new hobby.
That's funny. Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 at night.
Morning and night. Okay.
Drink plenty of water.
Okay.
Get enough rest.
Rest is my favorite.
Of course. Do you have any questions?
Does this medicine taste bad?
Maybe a little.
Oh no.
Be brave.
I will try.
Get well soon.
Thank you. Okay, Dave, take your medicine now.
Now?
Yes. Try it.
Okay. Oh no.
What happened?
It tastes terrible.
I told you.
My tongue is crying.
Drink water.
Okay. Better now.
See? Not so bad.
Still bad.
You're funny.
I'm tired.
Yes, you should rest.
I want to go home and sleep.
Good idea.
Today was a long day.
Yes, but you did great.
Really?
Yes, you called the doctor, visited the clinic, and bought medicine.
That's true.
You're very brave.
Thank you. I feel better already.
That's good.
Maybe tomorrow I'll feel normal again.
Yes, just rest.
And drink warm water.
Yes,
And take medicine.
exactly.
You sound like a doctor now.
Maybe I am.
Dr. Cindy.
Funny name.
Next time I will try not to get sick.
Good plan.
And I will eat healthy food.
That's smart.
And sleep early.
Very good.
But I will still eat snacks.
Of course.
Snacks make life better.
That's always your rule.
Yes, snack rule forever.
You're funny.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
I feel lucky.
That's nice.
Okay, time to sleep.
Yes. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.